guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is, I'm really excited for this one because I literally woke up, my dad gave me this package and I was like, could it be? Is it my Patrick Ta gloss? And it was. So as soon as I knew, I was like, yes, I need to film today. I've been slacking. I need to do it now. So now I am filming this video for you guys. So obviously you guys know this is about Patrick Ta, the celebrity makeup artist. This is his collection, Patrick Ta Beauty for Her. I think it's so cute. I watched all his videos with the women that inspire him the most in his life. It just made me tear up because his journey to success is so awesome, and I had to support my fellow Asian, you know what I'm saying? I really think it's so cool. So I didn't order everything just because I don't show off my décolletage area enough to get the mist and the body glow and stuff, but I did get the Major Glow lip gloss, and so this is just me unboxing and kind of trying it on, showing you guys what it looks like and all of that. So please keep watching, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. Alright, so this is the box that it comes in, pretty regular size cardboard packaging, but when you open it up, as soon as you open up the flaps, it says at Patrick Ta Beauty. I thought that was so cute. I love the pink, and then if you keep going, the whole inside is pink. And oh, also what was really cool was that the tape that was used to tape right here, it says Patrick Ta, and that's so cool, very detail oriented. So you open it up, it's pink on the inside, it says hashtag this is Major, aka the Major Glow collection. So when you open it up, this is what is inside the box. The first thing you get is this cute little postcard, and it just says Patrick Ta Major Glow collection. It's really pretty. And then on the back it says, I have always gravitated towards women. Growing up, I knew I was gay but wasn't out to the world. Women like my mom, my sister, and my best friends were the ones who allowed me to be myself. I wanted to create a makeup that would make women feel confident and beautiful in their own skin, just as women have made me feel. My eyes are watering. Patrick Ta for Her is for my mom, my sister, my clients, and my best friends. They're the ones who give me confidence and a career and a voice. This is for her. XO Patrick. It has the website and then the Instagram on the very bottom. Let you guys see that. Ignore my nails. I know they need to be done. They're horrific. So then the next thing that you have in here is your paper slip, and then this was what was really cool. So you can see this is the inside, and I was like, oh my god, it's plastic, how do I take that out? And then I realized you slip this whole thing out. So that's the box, Patrick Ta at the very back. And then so this was what was inside the box, and it's really cool because this is plastic, and it literally it will not move. So in the package, it's very secure, very safe, and I just thought that was so smart and innovative. I've never seen anything like this before. And so it doesn't move. When people throw your box, it's literally it doesn't move. And so then you open these flaps, and then you open both of these sides, and then it looks like this. So you open it up, and so then the little plastic wrap on the front loosens up, and then you can take out your package like that. So this is the product. Packaging is really cute. It says Patrick Ta on the front, and then it is in rose gold marble detailing as the ingredients on the sides, and then the packaging label and all that stuff. And then on the top it says the shade, and I got the shade She's Expensive. But I take it out, packaging, oh my god, it is so luxurious and so pretty with the rose gold detailing. On the back of the packaging it says Major Glow Lip Shine, and on the bottom it just says the color. Okay, so online it says that there are 3 shades. She's Expensive, which is the one that I got, and it's a pearl lip shine. She's an Influencer, which is a pink lip shine. And then the third color is she younger than me? I don't know. And the color is a peachy shade. I got this color because I feel like I could top it off with any of my nude lipsticks. And it's such, oh my god, guys, it's such a pretty color. So these retail for $22. And so I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, she's expensive for sure. You can see where they got the name. So it is a doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It smells like a mint. But not one of those like cheap mints, like that expensive, like almost like a candy cane. I don't know what it is, but I love this scent. It's not super sweet like those vanilla scents that a lot of brands have. I can't put my finger on what exactly it smells like, but it smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So you can see it's a very pearlescent shade. It's basically clear with some like specks of like shimmer in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my lips. Right now I have my favorite combination on my lips. I have the Kylie Jenner Dolce K lip liner and the Bobbi Brown Bare Pink lipstick. I wear this almost every single day. I don't deviate from it, and so I want to see what it looks like with this on top. Okay, so now that you guys are zoomed in, we're gonna go ahead and it's so pretty. Kind of like has like a pepperminty feel on your lips. I accidentally got it dirty. It gives such a good shine. What do you guys think? It's not sticky at all. It gives such a good shine. It's not too glossy. It's like the perfect amount of gloss, and I feel like it just enhances the color that I have on my lips. I feel like sometimes glosses are too thick, and this is like very sheen. It's very soft. You can see the little specks of glitter just like hitting all the light in the best way possible. I really like it. It looks so beautiful. I am so happy for Patrick Ta, and I cannot wait for the things that he comes out with next. I will definitely be buying, so definitely make sure you're subscribed and you like this video. That way I know that you guys want me to unbox and do this again for Patrick Ta Beauty whenever he comes out with more products. So yeah, I really like the gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!